Thinking about replacing your roof? Let's talk about the benefits and the downfalls of shingle versus metal. Replacing your roof is not cheap, but the type that you choose could cost you or save you thousands in the long run. Let's compare shingles and metal roofs and see which one really pays off in the end. Hi, I'm Jamie Blair with Wise Insurance Agency here in the state of Florida, and I'm an insurance expert. Your roof isn't just about a curb appeal. It's one of the biggest factors in how well your home is protected and how much you're going to pay for insurance in the long run. In this video, we're going to look at the benefits and the downfalls of shingle versus metal. And I'll share why one of these options is quickly going to become the smarter choice. So let's break it on down. Shingle pros and cons. Let's start it out. The number one advantage is the cost. They're less expensive up front, but shingles have a shorter lifespan, usually around 15 to 20 years. And in the Florida climate, that's often less. Our sun is brutal. They're also going to be more likely to suffer damage from high winds, leaks, and or algae growth. So while the upfront price is attractive, I get it, the long-term value is wrong. Metal, pros and cons. Now let's talk about the metal roofs. Those can last anywhere from 40 to 70 years, making them one of the most durable options available. They handle storms and wind much better than shingles. And because of that, many carriers reward homeowners with lower premiums and or eligibility. You know, Florida's huge in regards to eligibility. The trade-off is the cost. Metal will cost you more than shingles, no doubt about it. The cosmetic dents from hail and or debris is definitely possible, but it's still more durable, and the savings over time outweighs the upfront investment. Insurance impacts. Here's where it gets real. This is the difference when it shows up. Insurance eligibility on shingles means that they only accept it anywhere from 8 to 12 years, sometimes 15 if you're lucky. It may still look fine, but it doesn't make you eligible. You could be forced to replace this roof within that time frame. Metal roofs, on the other hand, are often accepted anywhere from 25 to 30 years. That's nearly 3 times longer than shingles. So while shingles may seem cheaper up front, if you're replacing them every decade just to keep up with coverage, how much are you really saving? These guidelines are here to stay, and these carriers are making it very clear that they're here to stay. You have been warned. To recap, shingles are cheaper, but that comes at a cost. They don't last as long, and it will make your home harder to insure sooner. Metal costs more up front, but it lasts decades, lower premiums, and keeps you eligible with carriers longer. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, connect, follow, or like. Whatever button that you see on the platform that you're watching, do just that. And keep coming back for more tips, tricks, and insurance insights. And remember, don't be stingy. Share this with a homeowner that might get some insights from it. Once again, I'm Jamie Blair with Wise Insurance Agency, helping you protect what matters most.